Hello friends, welcome all of you to my WordPress mastery course. This course provides step-by-step instructions on how you can build your own WordPress website for yourself or client without any coding, design or e-commerce experience. And even you can start your own WordPress website design and development business with the help of just one WordPress CMS course. The course I designed was based on the problems people face, and I have designed to teach you everything you need to know as a beginner and an expert when he/she makes a WordPress site. You will learn to use WordPress step by step in this WordPress mastery course, and you can help the video whenever you need help with any of the steps or while building your own website. I have done my best to teach you with the help of 100 videos so you guys can learn everything from basic to advanced, and when you have learned everything you will be an expert at the designing WordPress website. Check out what you will be learning from this WordPress mastery course. Course contain, you can see there are lots of content. Starts from introduction video, and then after what is content management system, CMS, that's short form. What are the different type of content management system WordPress, what is WordPress and how does it works, why you should use WordPress for your website. And you can see there are 100 videos. As you have seen in this course, there is a lot to learn. I guarantee you, after watching this course, you will never have a problem designing WordPress website. Please feel free to email us if you have any questions or if there is any problem. We will reply within 24 hours. We can assist you. Again, thank you and best of luck for taking this course and taking the first step in your life. So now start with your first introduction video, then after start with your first video, what is content management system. So again, thank you guys and bye, best of luck.